Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in this last time back tutorial I showed you how to make the ginger and cinnamon muffins. Now in this recipe tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make the Choc-Brownie Muffins. First of all is to sift the dry ingredients into a large bowl. This is 75 grams of caster sugar, 35 grams of cocoa powder and 300 grams of self-rising flour. There's some lumps of cocoa powder to scrape it along with the spoon and sieve. So stir the dry ingredients. And to that, stir in the remaining dry ingredients. So this is 75 grams of pistachios, 120 grams of sour cream, 165 grams of chocolate hazelnut spread, one egg, and 60 grams of butter, and stir them in just like they are muffins. Stir them once it is the real muffin mixture. And also 95 grams of chocolate chips. And also 3/4 cup of milk, which is 180 mils. Give this milk a stir unless it's a muffin mixture. What to do next is to divide the muffins into 12 muffins. This is the 6 muffins filled up. Continue with the rest of them and remaining of them. This is a muffin mixture and that has been divided equally, the batter. Now the mixture has been made, so preheat the oven to 200 degrees C for 20 minutes. Now we're going to see what it's like when it's done. So pause the video now. So after we're going to see what it's done, what it turns out to be like. These are the muffins that have been turned out after it's been baked in the oven for 20 minutes. I'll tell what the ingredients are and I'll show you how to make these muffins for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button or hit the like button to get new videos. So for them with this recipe. Bye. See you in the next video.